Okay, whatever. I'm not about to spend all day trying to get a thumbnail. I don't know why. Everybody do the same thumbnail anyway. It's always... But whatever. Hello, friend and friends of friends. Thank you so much for joining. I'm so glad you're here. It really doesn't matter why you're here. It doesn't matter why you're here. The best thing is that you are. So today we are going to be doing a taste test. Just playing. But no, we really are doing a taste test. So today's video will be relatively short because it's not a mukbang nor recipe. But I really want to taste the KFC chicken and donuts. It will be very similar to my Krispy Kreme Sloppy Joe donut sandwich, which was pretty good. So we'll see. It still has the same little sweet and savory little thing to it. So let's just get right into it. Lord, thank you for this food that I'm about to receive. Let it nourish and strengthen my body for Christ's sakes. Lord, I ask that you bless this food and purify that does my body no harm. It is as I've said by faith. Thank you, Jesus. Okay, without further ado, we're just gonna go ahead and get into it. Got my chicken, got my donuts. Is 2 pieces of chicken enough? There's a lot of donuts, so should I put all of them on there? No, let me just put 3. Okay, here we are. Here we are, just the 3 of us together. I'm gonna give you the first bite because I'm a generously nice person. So tell me what you think. What you think? Let me see. I don't believe you. Mmm. 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 I actually like this better than the Sloppy Joe donuts. But really, my Krispy Kreme donut was so good with that Sloppy Joe Krispy Kreme. It's just anything with that donut is just sinful. Because I think that Krispy Kreme donuts are meant to be eaten by themselves. It was so good. But this donut is not bad either. I don't know where they got it from. Well, yeah. Not as good as Krispy Kreme because the Krispy Kreme donut was really soft and really, really sweet. Really, really sweet. But this is giving me the balance that I need with this chicken. No shade. It's just better. It's good like this. I like it. I really, really like it. That's good. There's also some icing down there from the donut. Oh my gosh, that's really good. It's really good. I'm gonna get some of that icing as if I need more sweet on this. Look, hang on. It's got my eyes watering. Hang on. This may not be a good idea. I'm pretty sure it's not a good idea, but I've got to try it anyways. Let's see what that tastes like. This is buffalo sauce. It's probably nasty. Not good. But this, ooh, it's just a big old cup, just a big mess now, but I'm sorry. I wipe my mouth. Is that better? Okay. Uh-oh, sorry. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm. 2 donuts, 4 tenders, just the right amount. Don't need no more than that. Oh my gosh. That was good. That was really delicious. Thumbs up KFC for that one. Really, that's it. That's all.